How to log out of Amazon Prime on Twitch. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to log out of Amazon Prime on Twitch. First thing, go to Twitch and now click this one here on your profile, and then click this one, account settings. Click on it and then click here, and now click this one. And if you click this one, you will log out of Amazon Prime, but I'm not logged in, and that's why there's nothing. And as you see, that's how I log out of Amazon Prime on Twitch. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in next video.